Hi, my name is Vadine Eugene. I'm from Miami, Florida. I'm 18. I go to school at Florida Atlantic University in Boca Raton, Florida. I will be getting my Bachelor of Science in Chemistry in the spring. I've always been interested in science ever since I was a little kid. Shows like Magic School Bus and Bill Nye the Science Guy were always my favorite. I also had this magnifying glass that I took with me everywhere, and it allowed me to see things on the macroscopic level. And it's fueled me into the chemistry that I'm doing now, where I can see things on the nanomolecular level. I work with misfit layers. Right now I'm trying to calibrate the germanium, selenium, molybdenum diselenide misfit layer compounds, in which I layered different elements, kind of like a layered cake. And right now I'm working with germanium selenide as one layer and molybdenum diselenide as another layer. They have turbostratic disorder because they're not the same. They don't have the same electron density, so they don't really stack on top of each other well. This leads to different electrical properties, and we're just trying to test these properties and see how they can be applied in everyday technology. Having someone who's more knowledgeable and can actually explain things would really help. During the center meeting, I was taught that collaborations are really helpful because you don't always have all the knowledge, so maybe someone else, maybe a theoretical chemist, can see if your idea is really feasible so that you don't waste time trying an experiment or an idea that doesn't work. Challenges: not everything you think of works. So trying to realize if you should just quit a project or continue and try it a different way is one of the things we struggle with. And by collaborating with other people, you can make a better decision on whether to quit or try a different way, and which way should you approach the problem. I'm really excited for grad school. I actually do want to go to grad school, and they've helped me realize that I like chemistry. The center has really helped me realize how chemistry can be really fun and exciting and frustrating at the same time, but there's a lot of people here to help you. I don't have to know everything, and that there are other people out there that are more knowledgeable and can help me. The project that I'm working on now, like I've said, at first it wasn't really making sense, so I went on my own, did some research, and saw that other people also had the same problems and how they solved them. And it turned out to be a really simple solution, just changing the way the layers were put down. Being able to solve the problem on my own, that lets me know that I am capable of doing things on my own. As an undergrad, sometimes you feel that you don't know as much, but you have resources and you have people that are willing to help you. It's really been a great environment as far as the center, and they've really supported my decision in going to grad school. I was drawn into Dave Johnson's lab because I get to evaporate metals and see their properties, and using this machine behind me, I can see how they layer and what exactly it is that I made and if it's what I wanted to make. And I get to just use really cool instruments and do things that I've never done before, and it's really exciting. I'm really passionate about science. I don't really know why, but I just really like it, and I know that there's always a more efficient way of doing things, so science helps me do that and discover new ways to make things better.